Hey guys!
We are down here at the brand new RV1 dealership in Jacksonville. We actually came for a few days because we helped them do their whole grand opening. So that's exciting. Nice new store here. They got a lot of towables here. So if you're in the Jacksonville area or if you're traveling here, make sure to stop and take a look.
So today, while we're on this lot, we decided to take a couple minutes to go through and check out some of the RVs and travel trailers specifically with more modern floor plans and layouts and colors specifically. So we're super excited. We apologize for the wind. It's a little bit windy today.
Yeah, and we're gonna take a look at 4 travel trailers specifically. So let's go jump into the first one. All right, first up is the Twilight Signature 3300 TWS. This is a really cool brand that I think people aren't as familiar with, and I've been loving the interior. So I want to show you guys a really good bunkhouse floor plan today. So starting outside, we have the power tongue jack. We got this nice pass-through storage. I love how just open that is. You know, you don't have any weird corners or anything. So really good if you're storing a lot of stuff. And then right here is the controls for electric stabilizing jacks. So this travel trailer is definitely a step up where you go away from those manual stabilizing jacks. What I really like about the Twilights is that they actually, if you see this whole gray section at the bottom, that is actually paint infused fiberglass. So these things are decals, but that is actually painted, so you don't have to worry about that peeling off down the road.
There you go.
Oh, it's just heavy.
Yeah.
This is a huge outdoor kitchen. So you get a nice big fridge right here, mini fridge. Tons of drawers and cabinets and everything. You get a sink that's flung through and a nice suburban cooktop. So if you guys are looking to do a lot of cooking when you hit the road and you're, camping, this is a great floor plan, I think. Really nice outdoor kitchen. And then no slides on the side, so you get the full length awning, so tons of outdoor camping space, which is always a big thing for us, Obviously if you're camping, you want to be outside, so the more space you have out here, the better. And as you can see, it has 2 doors, so we're going to go in the main door, but I'm going to show you guys where this goes into. So coming up here, we have the nice solid steps. And then on the inside, it's a little dark right now, guys. It's a really cloudy day, and these aren't hooked up to power, but I think you can still see how light it is in here. So this is something I really love about the Twilights is the interior design they're using with the light wood, the light walls and everything. It just feels really modern. And for being a bunkhouse model, I really like this layout. You get the nice trifold sofa, and it is a little bit of a weird position from the TV, but you can pull this TV out and swivel it, so when you're sitting here, you're still not cranking your neck to the side. So, this is kind of just the reality of this floor plan with the bunkhouse, but they made the best of it, which I like. And then over here, nice kitchen, nice big bowl sink. Just really like the modern finishes. This backsplash looks nice. And then over here we have a dinette. And then here's where that second door leads into, guys. So this is the full bath, and it's actually if you go back here, Will, it's actually a good sized shower for
it is, yeah.
How big this unit is.
Again, it's a bunkhouse, which the bunk room takes up a lot of space.
Right. So they made good use of that space, and then you have a nice countertop here. And then the nice thing about having the second door is, obviously, you're probably traveling with kids, you're traveling with a lot of people. So if you guys are hanging out outside, instead of having to, lug through the whole RV to get to this bathroom, you can go right from outside into the bathroom and not worry about tracking a lot of dirt in. So I always love that feature. And then back here, this bunkhouse is huge. I couldn't believe it when I came in here. You have 3 bunks, one here, and then one over here. And then this bunk actually does flip up, and you can hinge it in there, and then it's almost like a living room space for your kids. So these actually will become a bed too. So I mean, you can easily sleep 4 kids in here, if not more. And then it does have a place to mount a TV over here too. Sorry it's a little dark in here with the GoPro. But I just love this bunkhouse. You got a coat rack here. I mean, this is a really good bunkhouse back here. And then to finish it off, we'll come up front and check out the master bedroom. So I like that you got a door here separating the space. Nice king size bed. That's something that Twilight really does differently, is most of their units have a king size bed in the master, which I really like because that's not as common with a travel trailer. And if we had a travel trailer, that would definitely be something I wanted. So again, just really, it's a small bedroom, but it's so light in here that it just doesn't feel so small. So that wraps up the Twilight 3300. Really, really good travel trailer if you guys are looking for bunks. And we're gonna go check out the next one.
Okay, next up is the Forest River Aurora. This is a really cool product. It's not out there very much, but what I really like about it is it's kind of that first RV to get you off of out of tent camping, get you in the family outdoors, and just enjoying camping. So it's going to be price point really, really well, and lots of features kind of packed into a small area. So this is something that you can tow with some smaller SUVs and stuff as well. Let's take a look. On the outside, the Aurora has a lot of really nice features, and normally you wouldn't see till you get to higher end travel trailers, which is again why I really like this, because the price point is still low, but a lot of those kind of convenience features, like up front, it's got a power tongue jack, so you can just hit the button and it's got the light rather than cranking it. It's got the solid steps, nice electric awning and everything. Nice, really nice outdoor kitchen. Ready, Jen?
America.
And then it does have a quick disconnect for the propane right there as well. Little leash thing, we need that for the dogs.
I know.
And again, this is to get, you know, to kick off camping with you and the family. So I love that it's got a full length awning, because that's what it's about, being outside, eating dinner outside and everything. Coming in, sorry it's a little dark today. Murphy bed up here, and it has the jackknife sofa there. Which again is really nice, because this is actually still a really comfortable, nice mattress, but then you still have a couch and a U-shaped dinette. Again, this is like really, really short, so the fact that they were able to get all this into it is really cool. But what shocks me the most, honestly, is this U-shaped dinette. So I think that's really cool. Decent kitchen counter space, and kitchen space just in general. In the bathroom, everything is sufficient, I'll call it. Nothing's like amazing, nothing stands out, but again, it gets the job done in something really small, really light. And then what's really cool is the double over double bunks here. You know, normally at this size it's just going to be the smaller ones, but here they actually did the doubles. This does lift up, I think it's just tight in there. Didn't it look like it lifted?
No, I think this is two separate
okay
walls. So but you have all that storage.
But you still
there.
have all that storage down there. Yeah, I wish they did that where it lifted. A couple specs for you before we go check out the new one. This, they say that it sleeps 5. You might even be able to squeeze a little bit more in, depending on how big the people are. The interior height is 6 feet 9 inches, which I don't think is entirely accurate. Hitch weight is 428 pounds, and dry weight is 3378. So again, a lot of you know, like a Toyota Highlander, a Honda Pilot, our Toyota 4Runner, a lot of those vehicles will be able to tow it based on those weights. And then the tip-to-tip length on it is 20 feet 4 inches. So again, all this packed into 20 feet is really cool.
All right, the next unit that we're gonna take a look at is the Dutchmen Astoria 2703 RB. And I don't know about you guys, but I feel like Dutchmen travel trailers haven't really ever been on my radar. You know, you don't see them a lot. But this Astoria, I got my eyes on it the other day when I was walking dogs around here, and it literally, like from the outside, the rear bath inside like caught my eye enough that I wanted to step in. So I want to show you guys, because you don't see them a lot around, but I think it's a little underrated. So real quick, show you some of the outside features. We got pass-through storage here in the front, very nice. It does have power stabilizing jacks, and then you don't have like an outdoor kitchen, which is honestly, this is not like a bunkhouse model, so it's not as common to have an outdoor kitchen, but I like that they at least found room to give you a little outdoor fridge. And then the other cool thing they gave you was there is a separate like little griddle thing, right, Will?
Yep.
That you can actually put in there, so that's really cool. And I like how they did that, because it's actually like an easy little thing to add.
It is, yeah.
That's super cool. It looks like you can actually mount a TV there too.
You can, yeah.
All right. So the outside is nice, but the inside's really, really what drew me into this unit. So first, like, just kind of pan Will and like show how their like interior design is. Like, they're using gold accents. Like, it's just very unique, kind of a high-end feeling. They almost did like a concrete looking countertop. It's not solid surface countertops, but it's like, it has a cool modern look to it, and I really like what they did. The kind of the showstopper of this unit, I think, is this rear bath. And for like, I'm not kidding you, Will, when I say this might be like one of the best bathrooms I've ever seen on a travel.
I would agree, yeah.
I mean, this is amazing. You got a really, really nice bath or a shower here. Great toilet position, like tons of leg room. This would work great for you.
Right.
And then I love how you have like double vanity, tons of like I've never seen so much counter space in a bathroom, and a huge mirror. Like this is just this is bigger than our fifth wheel bathroom.
It is.
You know, so really, really impressive. And then out here, just a very good layout. Like I'm amazed. This is a U-shaped dinette. So instead of just doing a regular dinette, they gave you the U shape so you can seat a lot of people, and it kind of doubles as a couch. And then they did the theater seats here, which I love because, you know, a lot of times is it just me where I feel like if there's one couch in a unit, a lot of times they do a tri-fold so you get the sleeping space. And that honestly might work for a lot of people. I personally love theater seats so much. I'd rather, you know, because like the U-shaped dinette could become a bed.
Right.
But quite honestly, this is a couple's unit, so, you know, I want it to be the best for like what we're using it for all the time. So I like that they did a theater seat. You have the entertainment center right here and a nice electric fireplace which produces heat. We're gonna come back out here to show you guys some more things. But then like coming into this bedroom, this doorway is super wide.
It is,
and it's a pocket door, so like you don't feel like tight coming into the bedroom. And then just this, I feel like this is a queen size, isn't it?
I think it is a queen, yeah.
Yeah, and we probably couldn't get a king in here, but it's still a really like just the white that they used in here just makes it feel really open. You actually have a lot of room around the bed, which is nice. So that's your bedroom area. And then I'm gonna say something really cool for the end. But here's your kitchen. I kind of showed you guys earlier a little bit, but nice single bowl sink. You know, I like I'm not in love with this, but I like the look they're going for. Nice big fridge for a travel trailer. And then one of the coolest things on this unit is what they did behind this entertainment center.
What they do?
They put some secret storage. Look at that. That's insane. Like, I've already seen it before, but still, like, that's insane. Like, you could almost, you know what they could have done here that would have been cool?
What?
They could have made it like an office that you could have sat at. I mean, I know it's kind of weird because you block the bedroom off, but like, it's so big it could be an office. But tons of like storage space. This is almost could be like your little pantry setup. You could put a cat litter box down there.
That's cool, yeah.
You know, it's really open. I don't know how actually they get to it though. But I don't know, you can put something cool down there. And then, and it's prepped for washer and dryer, which is amazing. Like, I feel like that's really cool to get washer and dryer prep in a travel trailer, because that's not common, right?
It's not, no.
Yeah, so to get that, and then it's like a really nice spot, like kind of hidden away. So this is just a really, really cool floor plan. I feel like the Astorias are underrated and, you know,
underappreciated.
Underappreciated, you know? So give this unit some appreciation. And honestly, I don't know a ton about the Dutchmen products. Like, we don't see them a lot as much. But this is a really cool unit. This is probably one of my favorites here at this dealership. So let's go and take a look at the next one.
Okay, last on our list to check out is the Jayco Jay Flight model 34 RSBS. So this is another couples coach, and it's really nice on the inside. Jayco always does a modern farmhouse kitchen. And I really do think this one could be good for full timing even, but it's like a little bit of a better price point too. So it's not gonna have all the high-end features, but again, to get you out on the road and full timing, this is awesome for it. You got storage up front here. You can do the Furion, this prep for the Furion cameras. Again, manual stabilizing jacks to keep that cost down a little bit lower. Nice solid steps here. And there's not a whole lot on the outside, but it does have the big awning as well.
We love big awning.
Yeah.
Solid steps too.
Nice solid steps, yeah. On the inside, here's the main bedroom, or the only bedroom really. What's nice about it is it really has that fifth wheel feel and layout in here.
Yeah, this bedroom's huge, actually.
It is, and I do believe it's prepped for a washer and dryer in here, which is really cool. The reason it feels like this is because they put a bedroom slide in here. Now what that's going to do is increase your hitch weight. So you always got to check those numbers. And of course get really good weight distribution bars and sway bars. Plenty of storage up front here. Nice big king bed.
And I just want to like emphasize, like,
yeah,
look
this is
how
great.
much space between the end of the bed and this dresser.
Right, it's awesome.
Like, and what's crazy is this is actually a more spacious bedroom than in our fifth wheel, and partially just because you don't have like the ceiling height coming down on you.
And I think that slides a little bit deeper as well. Okay, so in here in this bathroom, to start off, there is great storage here. I think this is really nice right there.
Yeah, tons of storage.
Yeah, this is storage you don't normally get in a bathroom. Nice cabinet color and everything. Radius shower, but it's nice tall ceilings. Great toilet placement. And then you do have a nice medicine cabinet and sink right there.
Yeah, good countertop space.
Yes. Coming out to the left here is your dinette. I do believe you can swap this. Yeah. Dinette is standard. This is the option with the tables and chairs.
Okay.
The theater seating right behind you and a trifold sofa right there. In the kitchen, first.
I want to say, like, these are cool, aren't
Those
they?
are cool, yeah.
Nice. There's probably something, well, no, because it's like a special thing for it, so that's really cool. I like that.
Yeah. Right here, you got a nice entertainment center, nice big TV, fireplace and everything. And then in this kitchen is really nice. It's like the modern farmhouse interior, and they do that in, Jayco does that in almost all their travel trailers, which I think is cool.
Yeah.
Up here, I forgot about this. There is a nice little shade, so you can open and close that as you want.
Cool. I love that skylight, too. It really adds light into the kitchen.
It does, yeah. Tons of cabinet space, tons of counter space, and this kitchen island, I just love it. And great, pretty good stove and oven setup here. So you have a little bit of room for cooking utensils, nice microwave, refrigerator, and an awesome pantry here. Again, for a travel trailer, this is totally awesome.
Yeah, really nice. Yeah, this gives you like the rear living feeling of like a fifth wheel.
It does, yeah. Cool.
Yeah, and like I want to reiterate, this is kind of a unit, like Will said, that's like lighter and a little bit cheaper, but could be full timing.
Exactly.
So it's like, some of the it's like not the highest end finishes, but it's like it still has a real nice feel in here, and then you're saving obviously on that price point.
Exactly, yeah. This one has a length of 38 feet and a driveway of 88.60. So, not too bad.
Yeah, nice.
Cool.
Alright guys, that wraps up this video. We hope you guys enjoy getting a peek into some lesser known travel trailers, but ones that I think are pretty nice and have modern interiors for you to check out. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and let us know if you like kind of like videos where we hit a couple units like this, maybe like in different categories. And what I'll do also is, if on Matt's RV Reviews Towables, if Will and Matt have done any full reviews on these units, I'll make sure to link that down below so you can see like a full walkthrough and review.
Great idea. Thank you all so much for watching. Let us know down in the comments below what you guys liked and didn't like, and any changes you think would be cool.
Yeah.
We will see you guys on Sunday.
Bye guys.